Famous for its Masskara Festival, Bacolod City is called the City of Smiles. It is the capital of the province of Negros Occidental. This video features some of the places to visit in Bacolod City. Bacolod City Government Center. Bacolod City Airport, one of the gateways to Bacolod City. Provincial capital of Negros Occidental. In front of the provincial capital building is the Capital Park and Lagoon. Few minutes walk from the provincial capital is the Negros Museum. The museum is the first in its kind to not house precious archaeological artifacts, but displays Negrense lifestyle and society, which includes old furnishings and loaned items from ancestral houses. San Sebastian Cathedral is a cultural and religious landmark in Bacolod City. The church was constructed over a period of 6 years, primarily of coral stones, that was finished in 1882. Outside the church are 2 bells, that formed part of 4 others, mounted on the cathedral towers. Across the church is the Bacolod Public Plaza. Bacolod City is known for its famous chicken inasal, or grilled chicken. Popular place to eat chicken inasal in Bacolod City was in Minocan country. It was established in the 1980s, that became a popular tourist attraction in Bacolod City, until its closure last July 2024. Another famous delicacy in Bacolod City is kansi. It is a Filipino beef soup, made with beef shank and bone marrow, boiled until gelatinous. One of the places to eat delicious kansi in Bacolod City is Aniron's Kansi House, located in Nara Street, Capital Shopping. The Upper East, by Mega World. Located in one of the still undeveloped and vacant areas, in this 34-hectare township and industrial estate, is Upper East Curbside Food Park. With food stalls and a night market, it is a favorite hangout, and an attraction during weekends. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.